Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming you have an administrator account. This lets you set or change laptop passwords. Once confirmed, open Settings from the Start menu, then select Accounts. That's where password controls live. Make sure to prepare a recovery option, like your phone number, alternate email, or recovery key, because if you forget the new password, you will need it. This step prevents lockout and saves time. Proceed when your admin access and recovery method are ready. You now choose sign-in options within Accounts and pick Password or PIN, depending on what you want to set. Once selected, verify your current credentials when prompted. This confirms it's you making changes. Then type the new password twice to avoid typos, and if offered, add a hint but avoid obvious clues. Use a strong password, longer, mixed case letters, numbers, and symbols, because strength reduces guessing attacks. After confirming, save changes and make sure the system accepts the new credential. Once done, sign out and sign back in to confirm the new password works. This validates both typing and system acceptance. You can also set up Windows Hello or a PIN for faster, still secure access. These supplement but do not replace your main password. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, use the recovery key, a password reset disk, or contact another administrator. Those options restore access without guessing. Make sure to store recovery info in a secure place for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.